Holiday trivia time. I love holiday trivia, so here are a few more questions for you. It says, what do people traditionally put on top of a Christmas tree? Is it A, a star, B, an angel, or C, a snowflake? I'm going to put the answers at the end of the video so you can check and see which one turns out to be right. I'd say they're all good choices, don't you think? But I wonder what's most popular. What popular treat is often left out for Santa Claus on Christmas Eve? Is it A, carrots, B, cookies, or C, pickles? This one says, what plant is often used in Christmas decorations? Is it A, roses, B, poinsettias, or C, daffodils? What do you think? Put your answer in the comments, and again, we'll give you a free lesson here in our studio in Fallbrook, California, or online. Yep, love to meet you. Here's a challenging one. It says, name 4 of the 12 gifts that the true love gave in the song, The 12 Days of Christmas, right? I'll give you one. And a partridge in a pear tree. That's a fun song, but that would take us the whole time here to do, don't you think? See if you can come up with 4 of the gifts that were given. And one last one. It says, does Santa have an official mailing address? Is that yes or no? What do you think? Have you written your letter to Santa yet?